Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Tech. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best robot vacuums of 2024. These innovative devices are engineered to simplify your daily cleaning routine, becoming essential partners in the fight against dirt and grime. Packed with cutting-edge features that elevate the standards of both technology and convenience. So let's jump right in and discover the best options available. Let's start with the B20 robot vacuum. With a powerful brushless motor of 5,500 pascals, this vacuum ensures that every speck of dust and debris is captured, making it an ideal solution for homes with pets, carpets, and hard floors. The incorporation of LiDAR navigation allows the B20 to create precise maps of your home, ensuring thorough and systematic cleaning. The smart mapping feature further enhances its efficiency by allowing users to customize cleaning schedules and specific areas to be cleaned or avoided. Additionally, the vacuum offers a runtime of up to 120 minutes on a single charge, which is sufficient for cleaning large spaces without interruption. It features a 290 ml electronic water tank with 3 adjustable levels to ensure a customized mopping experience. A dust-proof HEPA filter and a 260 ml dustbin ensure 99% dust particle capture, ensuring purified air and preventing secondary pollution. The compatibility with Alexa and Wi-Fi connectivity makes it convenient, enabling users to control the device through voice commands or a mobile app. The B20's 10 all-round infrared sensors detect its surroundings quickly, preventing collisions and falls. This robot vacuum is also designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping tasks, making it a versatile cleaning assistant that simplifies household chores significantly. Deepak T30S combo comes on number 2. It redefines cleaning efficiency with its unique combo design, which allows the adaptable handheld vacuum and smart robotic vacuum cleaner to share a bidirectional Omni station. The smart robotic vacuum cleaner manages hands-free cleaning for the entire floor space, while the handheld vacuum tackles vertical surfaces, leaving no corner untouched. Combined, these gadgets deliver an impressive suction power of 11,000 pascals, making them a comprehensive solution for all your home cleaning requirements. Users can customize cleaning schedules and modes through the ECOVACS app, making it easy to set the vacuum to clean at convenient times. For robotic cleaners and handheld vacuums, dust is collected automatically using 3-liter dust bags. Moreover, the T30S combo is compatible with voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, providing hands-free control. The vacuum's long battery life ensures extended cleaning sessions, while the self-emptying dustbin reduces the need for frequent maintenance. The mop plate's seamless, extensible, and retractable design allows it to reach every nook and corner thanks to precise control from the continuous variable mop extender and 3D omnidirectional perception sensors. Truge's ideal 1mm distance from walls and obstructions enables spotless cleaning, resulting in 100% vacuum and mop coverage compared to previous models. At number 3, we have the Sharp PowerDetect AV2820 Robot Vacuum. This model is designed to deliver powerful cleaning performance with its advanced PowerFins technology, which ensures continuous contact with floors and carpets for deep cleaning. The PowerDetect feature intelligently increases suction power when extra strength is needed, such as on heavily soiled areas. It also comes with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris, significantly reducing the need for manual intervention. Its multi-surface brush roll effectively captures pet hair, dust, and allergens, making it suitable for homes with pets and allergy sufferers. The vacuum's smart navigation system uses sensors to map and clean your home methodically, avoiding obstacles and ensuring no area is missed. Users can control the vacuum through the Sharp Clean app or via voice commands of Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The combination of powerful suction, self-emptying capability, and intelligent navigation makes the Sharp PowerDetect AV2820 as a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. At number 4, we have the Roborock Q5 Max Plus Robot Vacuum. This model boasts a dual roller brush and a 5,500 pascal powerful suction system that effectively captures dirt, dust, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. Experience uninterrupted cleaning with a powerful 5,200 mAh battery and a generous 770 ml onboard dustbin. The Q5 Max Plus is ready for cleaning marathons that can last up to 4 hours. It is equipped with an advanced navigation system that uses LiDAR technology to create accurate maps of your home, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning. The vacuum also features a mopping function, providing an additional layer of cleanliness for hard floors. The Roborock app allows users to customize cleaning schedules, set no-go zones, and monitor the vacuum's progress in real time. It also includes a self-emptying dock, which can hold up to several weeks' worth of dirt and debris, minimizing maintenance efforts. Voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant adds to the convenience, allowing users to start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions with simple voice commands. Last but not least, the Shark UR2500 SR AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features a powerful suction system that effectively removes dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces, equipped with AI laser navigation, which allows it to navigate through your home with precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage. The self-emptying base can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris, reducing the need for frequent emptying. The vacuum's multi-surface brush roll captures fine dust and large debris, making it suitable for both carpets and hard floors. Users can control the vacuum through the Shark Clean app, setting cleaning schedules and customizing cleaning preferences. It is also compatible with voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, providing hands-free control. The vacuum's ability to combine powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and self-emptying capability makes it an excellent choice for busy households looking for an efficient and reliable cleaning solution. In conclusion, all of these robot vacuums offer powerful suction, advanced navigation, and convenient features such as self-emptying bases and voice control compatibility. These features make them ideal for maintaining clean and tidy homes with minimal effort. Each model has its unique strengths, but all are designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance and ease of use, making them excellent choices for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality robot vacuum.